Insert plain post into the piercing and gently push sides of the ring together until you feel it snap closed. Hold the bottom of the ring steady. Feel for the plain post on the back side of your ear. Pull the plain post up to open the ring. Gently slide out. If you don't want the metal hinge to be visible from the front, insert the ring back to front to achieve a seamless diamond look. Hold the plain post and gently guide it into the back of your piercing. When it comes out the front, push the plain post straight down into the decorative portion of the ring. Do not twist or pull. Simply push straight downwards and you will feel it click shut. While holding the front of the ring, feel for the plain post behind your piercing. Pull the two sides apart. Gently slide out. If it is difficult to push the post through your piercing, put a small amount of lubricant, like Neosporin, on the edge of the ring and it should glide in easily.